In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect S Pen on Galaxy Tab S9 FE. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the S Pen, you can easily connect it to any Galaxy Tab S model, including the S9 FE. To do this, you have to physically place the pen on a location on the tablet. So if you look at the back of the tablet, you will be able to place it right here. So in some illustrations, you might see the pen outline right here, and all that you have to do is place it. It is going to attach itself magnetically, and once you place it on the back of the tablet, it will automatically discover the S Pen and it will be usable in your Galaxy Tab. Like I said, this will work for the S9 FE specifically, but also any other tablet of the S line. As long as you have a model from the S line, you will be able to do this. The S Pen is not compatible with tablets on the A line, so keep that in mind. But for the S line, you just have to place it at the back, and immediately upon doing so, you will be able to access all of the functions. So you can go into the settings, advanced features, and you will find S Pen. You will see the battery percentage here, if it is connected or not connected, and you can manage everything inside of the tablet itself. You can do all sorts of touch controls and air actions depending on the model that you have available for you. Some models of the S Pen used with the S9 FE might not have air actions enabled because they will not have a battery, but depending on the S Pen model that you are having, you will be able to use those as well. But connecting it can easily be done by placing it in this physical location at the back of your S9 FE tablet, and it should also work with any other model. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect S Pen on Galaxy Tab S9 FE. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.